Hey y'all, it's your girl Arabia and I am back with another tutorial. Yeah, if you didn't check out the video of my mint green wig install, then make sure you check it out in the last video that I uploaded. I didn't know what to call this video because I honestly just threw together a makeup look. I did a cut crease and I wanted it to sort of match my shirt. Like, how cute is my shirt? Okay, and this is, like I said, this video not gonna be super long, so we just gonna jump right into it. But before I go, make sure you subscribe to my channel, help a sister out. Make sure you hit that bell, and I will see you guys in the video. To be honest, I'm just going with the flow. I'm basically just going by the shirt that I have on. And if y'all know me, y'all know I love my cartoons. So I just have on this Nickelodeon shirt. So all I'm gonna be doing is taking a little bit of my concealer, the Age Rewind, and I'm just gonna start making my crease. Okay, y'all, I am back. I just went in and added some liquid eyeliner. I didn't do it on camera because liquid eyeliner is my worst enemy. Like, I don't deal with liquid eyeliner. I shake a lot. So I didn't even do it on camera. Okay, y'all, so this look is complete. I think it came out pretty good. You know, we didn't do nothing extravagant. We just did something pretty simple. This look is finished. So comment down below and let me know what other videos you guys would like to see. Hit that subscribe button so you won't forget about me. And also hit that bell so you know when I'll be uploading another tutorial. So yeah, and also follow me on Instagram at AdoreArabiaXO. I always have it on the screen. And I guess that's it. Like, I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.